Brucellosis testing requires advanced preparation, capped centrifuge tube, dropper, diluting liquid, paper, and needle tube. Cows need to collect blood from their tails. Lift up the tail, about 10 centimeters from the root. The syringe is tilted upward at 45 degrees, insertion into the middle area to draw blood. Remove the needle after drawing blood. Inject blood into the centrifuge tube. Method: whole blood test. Use a dropper to suck an appropriate amount of blood. Add 2 drops to the diluent. Then shake to mix. Tear open the packaging bag. Place the test card horizontally. Use another straw to suck an appropriate amount of mixture. Add 2-3 drops to the sample well of the test card. Wait 10-15 minutes. C line is the control line, T line is the test line. Only the C line indicates no disease. The presence of both C and T lines indicates brucellosis. Method: serological test. The blood is weighed and placed diagonally in the centrifuge. Centrifuge at 4,000 revolutions per minute for 10-15 minutes. Use a dropper to draw an appropriate amount of serum sample. Add 1 drop to the diluent. Then mix and shake. Use another dropper to draw up an appropriate amount of the mixture. Add 2-3 drops to the sample well of the test card. Wait for 15 minutes. Only the C line indicates no disease. The presence of both C and T lines indicates brucellosis.